Hey guys, it's Kerry. I've got lots of my Safari Limited jumbo animals today, plus some other special animals as well. Every animal has an important role in the food chain, which is a linear sequence of organisms that depend on each other for food. Blue morpho butterfly. Butterflies play a crucial role in the ecosystem as pollinators, transferring pollen between flowers and aiding in plant reproduction, while also serving as a food source for various predators like birds, reptiles, and amphibians. This is a monarch butterfly. The butterfly caterpillars, as well as the adult butterflies, are a vital food source. Due to their sensitivity to environmental change, butterfly populations can serve as an indicator of an ecosystem's health. This butterfly, green tree python, and the second blobfish are all made by Jamie and sent to me. Green tree pythons are important to the tropical rainforest ecosystem as predators, prey, and seed dispersers. They control populations of small mammals, lizards, and birds, and provide food for larger predators like owls. Grasshopper. They help regulate plant populations and contribute to nutrient cycling by releasing nutrients back into the soil through their excrement. They are a vital food source for many animals like birds, reptiles, and spiders, playing a crucial role in the flow of energy within the food web. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Animals are consumers because they eat other animals or plants to get their nutrition. Herbivores eat plants such as ducks, small fish, and zooplankton. Carnivores, these animals eat other animals such as frogs and lake trout. Dimetrodon was an apex predator in its Permian ecosystem, primarily preying on large amphibians and reptiles, acting as a top predator and helped control the population of its prey species by hunting them down and feeding on their flesh. It had few natural predators. Sally Lightfoot crab. Crabs break down and consume dead material, which helps prevent waste build-up. Crabs recycle nutrients through their feeding activities. Blue crab. They burrow into the sediment, which can promote the growth of marsh grasses and other vegetation. Crabs are prey for larger predators like fish, birds, and marine mammals. Leafy sea dragon. They are predators that eat small crustaceans, plankton, and larval fish. This helps control the population of these prey. Leafy sea dragons are listed as near threatened through poaching. Scorpion. Some scorpions eat other scorpions, which can limit their abundance and distribution. They have venom-conducting stingers that they use for defense and offense. Honeybee. They act as primary pollinators, transferring pollen between flowers and facilitating plant reproduction, which is essential for the growth and diversity of many plant species and ultimately impacts the entire food chain within an ecosystem. They are considered a keystone species. Omnivores are animals that eat both plants and animals, such as humans. Decomposers, these are organisms that break down dead organisms such as bacteria, fungi, and worms. Scavengers, these animals tear apart dead animals such as coyotes, crows, magpies, and foxes. Blobfish eat plant matter and detritus, which helps keep the ocean floor clean. They will eat dead organisms, which helps recycle nutrients in the deep sea. Blobfish are eaten by larger deep sea predators, which helps maintain the balance of the food chain. They eat crustaceans, mollusks, and other invertebrates, which helps keep their populations from growing too large. Piranha are both predators and scavengers. A good portion of their diet consists of fins nipped from the tails of larger fish. Clown triggerfish. Triggerfish are the primary predators of sea urchins, which can damage coral reefs. Triggerfish also eat algae, which prevents it from growing over coral. And here's the beautiful queen triggerfish. Triggerfish are positively associated with being reef builders. They maintain the balance of marine biodiversity by keeping various species in check. Pufferfish are a food source for various marine predators like sharks, dolphins, and larger fish, contributing to the overall food chain balance. Their diet primarily consists of invertebrates and algae, helping to control the populations of these organisms in their habitat. They utilize their unique defense mechanism of inflation to deter predators due to their highly toxic nature. Bald eagle, they hunt weak, old, and slow animals, allowing the healthiest to survive. They eat dead animals, which helps with nature's clean-up process. They can see objects 3 to 4 times farther away than humans. Short-faced bear was a top predator and scavenger in North America during the Ice Age. They scavenged carcasses of large mammals such as bison, musk oxen, and horses. They would have competed against saber-toothed cats, American lions, and dire wolves. Food chains overlap at many points, forming complex food webs. Changes in one part of a food chain can affect other parts. For example, pollution can harm the food chain. Animals also play other important roles in the ecosystem, such as pollinating flowers, shaping forests, controlling pest populations, supporting plant growth, and dispersing seeds. Understanding the roles of animals helps us preserve their world and to ensure our own well-being. Bison, they graze the grasses at different heights, providing nesting grounds for birds. They also roll around and pack down the soil in depressions in the ground known as wallows. Their wallows fill with rainwater and offer breeding pools for amphibians and sources of drinking water for wildlife across the landscape. Moose, they are found in the boreal forests of Alaska, Canada, and the northeastern United States. They are also an important food source for many subsistence communities. White-tailed deer. They help increase plant diversity and new plant growth. They add nutrients to the soil through their feces, which encourages more plant growth. Elk. They create wallows and help maintain open clearings in their habitat. They eat a variety of plants, which helps prevent the dominance of certain plants. They are a key food source for wolves, cougars, bears, and mountain lions. Red fox is a predator, helping to control populations of smaller animals like rodents and rabbits. They also contribute to seed dispersal by eating fruits. Screech owl. They help control rodent and insect populations and are an important part of the food chain. They eat small mammals like mice, which can carry diseases that affect humans. Eastern chipmunk. They harvest and hoard tree seeds, which helps establish seedlings. They also disperse truffle spores in some regions. Scorpion. They eat small animals, including potential pests, and help keep insect populations down, and are preyed upon by larger animals. Big cats play a vital role in ecosystems by regulating prey populations, maintaining biodiversity, and helping to mitigate climate change. Big cats, like tigers, eat herbivores like deer, which help keep herbivore numbers in check. By preying on animals like zebras and wildebeest, lions help to prevent overgrazing and degradation of their habitats. Florida panther. Big cats are keystone species, meaning they live at the top of their food chains and indicate healthy ecosystems. Big cats spread seeds in their scat, which helps to maintain and preserve plant populations. Jaguar. They are considered an umbrella species because their conservation helps protect other animals and plants that depend on the same habitat. Tiger. Tigers live in protected areas. These forests can absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. These tiger reserves provide food, grazing, and wood for local communities. Tiger reserves provide tourism revenue for local communities as well. If tigers were to die out, the whole environment in which they live would be impacted. That's something to think about. With reproduction, male lions will bite the female's neck to help maintain control and prevent injury during copulation. The male lion's reproductive organs include the testes and penis. With the testes, their size increases with age. Size in proportion to body condition score increases with age. Lions that are obese have lower semen quantity and quality. Their penis is barbed and extraction can be painful as the spines rake along the female's vagina. Male lions reach physical maturity between the ages of 3 and 5. Please stay and watch another video with me. I love to read and reply to your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.